Hello, we are going to take you through a website transformation today. What we're looking at right now is the original website, and I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because I want to get to the new website and show you those features as well. So we are on the landing page. As we see, this business offers courses. We can see there's a great photo here. Really what we wanted to update about this website was a lot of the language. So we went through with a really fine-tooth comb and we did some deep copy editing, but also looking at some of the style of the the lettering. So we have some capitalization here, some lowercase here. So we want to create some consistency with the visuals and the styles on this website. We can see that there are several calls to action on this site, which is really good because it takes us deeper into the page. And then we have a call to action to join our list, and this takes us to our email list. Now, if I scroll up and I go to the About Us section, here we can see we're putting God first. We have some information here. We have a bio about the founder of this organization, a nice video. And when we look at the consulting group, we have an image here, no information above the fold, and no calls to action. We can see some of their services here on the side. This button actually is broken. It doesn't take you anywhere. It just takes you back to the site. So we want to fix that. And then also just changing again some of the language on the site and just making the text feel consistent. When we go to the contact us page, one of the things we want to change here is that we have to scroll below the fold to get to the contact information. So we want to definitely move that up to above the fold to make it easier for visitors to get the information. And then when we go to the blog, we can see here there's actually no real content here. This is placeholder text. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this blog as well. And then there's a donate button. So I'm going to show you the new site. Now, this is a new site. This took us about 3 months to build, not because of the workload of the site itself, but because we were simultaneously building a membership community as well as a course for this client. So we were doing all three of those at the same time. This site, as you can see, I really like this photo because they're looking right at you, so it's immediately welcoming. We have our purpose here. We teach Black women how to build generational wealth, some information about the nonprofits. So if any sponsors are coming to make sure we're legit, this is how they know. Our goal is very clear. We're dismantling systematic barriers that prevent underrepresented and historically excluded Black women from accessing economic opportunities. So it's very clear what the function of this organization is. We have a great video, some information about what we do, why we do it, and the fresh approach. And then we have some information about each of these pillars as well. And then here, this took a little bit of coding, but we got this to work. This is a slider with some more statistics to ground the purpose of the organization. And then we have an area where folks can sign up to join our email list. Now, if we go over to get involved, we can see here are some programs. So the Fresh program, and then this is a little bit more information about each of those Fresh pillars. So we have finance, relationships, entrepreneurship, spirituality, and health. And as you can see, this is a very spirituality-driven organization, and we can tell because we have grounded all of our claims here with scripture. So anyone who lands on the site knows exactly what they're getting into. When we click Meet the Health Director, it takes us directly to a bio about the person who is leading this pillar. So that invites the visitors to get to know our team a little bit more. So if there are sponsors again, or partners who want to make sure this organization is legit, they can come to our About Us page and learn a little bit more. They can meet the founder, and they can see that there's a pretty heavy board of directors and education that are supporting this organization. If we go over to community, we see that our doors are open. We have a call to action to join the community and some information about our purpose, our solution, our strengths, and a call to action to build generational wealth. We have a shop with the founder's book here, a donate button, and then we also have the contact. And again, we move that above the fold. And then we have a call to action to join the network in the top right-hand corner.